So DIY presents. Hi everybody! It's time to get creative with my favorite So DIY product, the So Magic DIY Terrarium. Today I will show you how to make your own. This is mine. Look at it. I love it. Here's the kit. Magic tree, glitter sands, terrarium, instructions, stones, magic powder, and figurines. Let's get started. It's so easy. Open the cover of the bottom and pour the magic powder. Add the water up to the line and mix for about 60 seconds. Put on the cover. You should hear a little click. Assemble your tree and put it in the cross. Make sure that it's pushed in all the way to the bottom. You can start to decorate your terrarium with the glitter sands. It's yellow and pink. Now, it's time to add the glitter stones. And then to put the little cute figurines. I love it! It's so sparkly! And the little unicorn, it's so cute! Your terrarium is finished. Leave the terrarium open to let your tree grow. It's magic! The tree is growing. Look at it! Wow! It's going to look so cool in my room! Your magic. So magic.